Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And here before you is everything I used in this video. And in my description below you can find the links to where you can find these products. And I have to tell you, I got this gorgeous mold from Resin. And this is the information. And check out this mold. The first time I saw this, it was from Tea and Art, and I was totally blown away from her video. And let me explain what it says right here. This is a handmade mold. And look at that crystal shine. Can you, you have to be able to see that in there. It's just amazing. Do not touch the crystal effect part with your hands. So that's anything inside there. Avoid using a torch or a flame in this mold. Only use tape to clean this handmade mold. Don't wash it or use alcohol in it. Store this mold flat and separately in a zipper bag in a cool, dry environment after use. Well, I will be sure to do that. There's a lot of intricate little spots in there. And I think I'm going to try using a UV resin first. I'm not even sure if that's going to work. But I would like to try a UV resin for my first go at this. Light green. That's the first thing I put my hands on. So let's put that right down in the middle of this. All right. And now we're going to go for the clear. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Oh, I already see. Well, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Oh, the moment of truth. It's a little scary. So let's see. I have bubbles. I don't know, I might see a bubble here. Yeah, I might have some bubbles. I might have some bubbles. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh, wait, let's get something black underneath this. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, this has got to be taken outside, I think. We don't have any sun today. Oh, I hope we get a sunny day tomorrow. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my. Can you see that? Can you see that? So I put that little drop of green in the middle. Oh. And look at that, it's still all there. All that shimmer and shine. Whoa! Oh, what shall we do with this? Okay, let's do another one, and let's use some pink glitter in this one. So I did speed this up considerably. And I am using the holographic glitter, and I'm just putting it in the tips of this mold. And you will see the outcome fairly quick. Okay, here we go. I made little, I made some little embellishments too to go along with that. Put that aside. Oh, I love that noise. You know that noise? We all know that noise. Okay, well, so right away I can see the pinks are a different color, but that's okay. I'll be happy. This just came out. Well, look at that. Look at the shimmer and shine on that. It's pretty interesting, and you can't really tell that the pink is off. Let's get that behind some black. Wow. How about that? That is cool. An idea to make another one. Maybe I'll make one more. How about that? Let's do one more. Okay, now I decided to do one more. And I decided to do it with my black epoxy resin from Resin. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. And I did pour out 2 20 milliliters in these small little cups here. I'm going to put my gloves on, and I will be getting to that right now. Okay, we're all mixed up, and there's no bubbles in here. And I put a little bit of the gold foil in. Move this over here. I put my heating mat down, and this is here because I think I may put some in here, the leftover. Now, I do have a little bit of my gold foil, and I want to put that right in the middle. So I'm going to put some in here. I just felt that the gold foil wasn't enough after I mixed that in. So I took this little piggy in Harvest Gold, and I mixed that in too. I mean, all I really needed was a little drop for that middle spot. And now I'm using the black resin to fill in the rest of this beautiful little flower here. And I added more of this little piggy in the gold. And I'm putting that all around this mold, which will make beautiful crystals all around. And then I decide to use some acrylic ink. I probably should not have done that, but I did. It was just with the little leftover resin that I had there, and I put my heating mat on, and okay, so this was overnight a day, and yeah, so this was my leftover. Let's do that first. I've never used this mold. Always wanted to try something in here. I didn't think I was going to be trying it in black, but I think this is going to be pretty cool. Although I do want to try it in a clear. Oh, that did come a little interesting. I think I like that. The Liquitex ink. Really pretty. Like that. This is what we've been waiting for. Oh, I love that noise. Oh, I do hope this came out beautiful, as I was expecting. I can't wait. I can't wait. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow. Okay, so the first thing I see here is using regular resin over the UV resin, you get much more of that sparkle. Look at that. Wow. This is stunning. Wow. Are you getting that? Oh, it's been so rainy here. Taking this outside is not going to make a difference. But I definitely am going to put the light on this for you. Can you see that sparkle? Oh, wow. And that little touch of gold in the middle. How amazing is that? So let me, I don't know if you can see along the sides there. This mold is amazing. Okay, this makes me want to do, and I wonder if I put black in the back, if that would make a difference. Okay, I have to do one more for you. Just one more, I promise. One more. Okay, I'm gonna try this with a little Swarovski crystal that I have by putting this down in the middle. Put this down the right way. I see has some bubbles, which is my fault. But I'm curious to see how beautiful this came. And I possibly will do a back coat on this, but I know that this is going to be very crystal beautiful on this side, and I can't wait to get that out. Here we go. And I did not fill this all the way because I did want to leave a little space. And wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that. And I think maybe with well, look at those crystals around the edge. So I think I can put a black background on here. Another beautiful way to use this, I believe, would be to put a candle, a nice pillar candle on top of that. And I think I have one inside that I can try out, and I can give you an idea of how that would look. Okay, in the end. Now for this is what I was waiting. I could not wait for this. Oops. And look at that red Swarovski crystal in the middle. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, it looks like it's a whole big Swarovski crystal. So there is a big difference with this mold. Look at that. Can you see that? So that's the mold using regular, this is Teexpert resin, and this is just using the UV resin. So there's a big difference in that, as you can see here. Wow. And here is, look at that. This is with regular resin, the black Lex resin, epoxy resin, and that's Teexpert. Beautiful. Wow. And these two are made with the UV resin, and there's a big difference. So my suggestion would be to use regular resin with this, not use epoxy resin, not use the UV resin. You're wasting your resin, because there is a big difference. And look at that Swarovski crystal in the middle. But look how gorgeous this looks. Wow. I'm so excited. That is stunning. Can't get over this. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take you in for a close-up. Let's not forget our amazing members. Dave and Kathy, the Traveling Tramps. Lena Park Art. Simply Nanette, who just reached an awesome milestone of 15,000 subscribers. And our Art by Sparkle, who just came home from the hospital. Welcome home, Lori. We're so happy to see you healthy again. Please find their links below in my description. And here's the awesome people who gave super thanks in my last video. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for coming. Till next time. Bye-bye now.